Would you rather have an elephant nose or a giraffe neck?
Daggone. This one of them ones, isn't it?
Elephant nose all day. I'm telling you why.
Tell me why.
You could be sniffing the floor whenever you want, bro.
So, sniffing the what?
You can sniff the floor and pick things up off the floor so easy.
Why
it's
you
not
sniff-
only like you're getting another nose, bro. You're getting a new arm.
Why is you like, no, I'm gonna go elephant nose, cause then you can sniff the floor whenever you want.
I'm not saying you do it. I'm just saying it's an option.
But no, you was excited about it, right? You was like, it's so stressful for me to do it currently. So when I get this nose, it's gonna be a breeze.